Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun one. Today I'm going to be reviewing and doing like a little demo using the Desi x Katy Round 2 collab with Dose of Colors. So if you guys want to see what I got from this collab the second time around and see the little tutorial that I did, then keep watching. Okay, so I went to ULTA yesterday and I picked up some of the Desi x Katy collab because I was so excited I needed to get it. I was so excited my ULTA even had it because my ULTA never has anything, so it was like a huge deal. So yay, ULTA. And I was just really nervous, honestly, because I kept going on Twitter and seeing people be like, oh my god, it's sold out, it's sold out. And I was like, oh my god, please don't be sold out, please don't be sold out. But my ULTA actually had some stuff left. They had like pretty much 3 of every lipstick. They had a good amount of palettes. And I don't really remember the highlighters because I didn't get a highlighter. Just because I have one from the first collection. I really like that one. And yeah, so this is what I got. I got the palette and I got 2 lip products. I got a lipstick and then the liquid velvet lip. I don't know what it's called. I'll have all the names, like when I'm talking about them, on the screen. Everything will be linked down below as well if you guys are interested in checking anything out. So first I'm going to talk about the palette. This is the Friendcation palette. I love the packaging. It is the same packaging as the first collab. There are 10 shades in this palette. There are 5 mattes, 5 shimmers, and it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free if you guys are wondering or curious. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Super gorgeous. I love it. So when you open it up, there is a nice big mirror. The mirror is pretty good. Would I use the mirror? No, because I don't really like using like a big bulky palette to use as a mirror. That's not my favorite thing. But it is a good mirror if you guys like using these big mirrors. So the mattes are so good. They're so buttery, so creamy, easy to blend. A little bit of kickback in the pan, especially with this shade right here, which is necessary. That's not a big deal to me. I don't care about that, honestly. Yeah, I feel like every palette is going to have a little bit of kickback. The most important thing is that it's blendable, unlike some YouTube collabs. But other than that, yeah, super pigmented, creamy, blendable. Love the mattes. The shimmer shades are gorgeous. All of these shimmer shades you can use with your finger or brush dry. It's not like the first palette where there was 2 where you had to use wet and 2, well, you don't have to use them wet, but you should use them wet, and 2 that you can use dry. All of these you can use dry, and you can probably wet a brush to really intensify them even more. They're so gorgeous. These do not have any fallout. I'm just going to swatch a moment for you guys, and I'll swatch Dirty Money as well because those are like my 2 favorites. And I'll also swatch Just a Kiss. I am wearing Just a Kiss on my lid right now. So this is what they look like on my hands. Just a Moment has like that blue purple, which I am obsessed with. So this is what they look like swatched. I mean, hi. So pretty. I'm wearing Just a Kiss on my lid. I think I said that already. I don't know. But yeah, this is what some of the shimmers look like. And then I will swatch some of the mattes as well. I'll do some of the ones that I used on my look today. So I used Necessary, Churro, and I'll do this red shade, which is Girl Bye. And I'll just swatch them on the back of my hand because it'll be easier. So right here are the mattes. So this red one gave me a little bit of trouble, and you obviously cannot see Necessary because like I'm almost the same color. But Girl Bye, I feel like will work better with a brush. So let's try and swatch it with a brush. Oh yeah, I did this really sloppily. But it's better with a brush. Sometimes you honestly cannot trust finger swatches at all. But they're all really pretty, really good. They're not coming off of me, which is great. Phenomenal. So I would definitely recommend the palette. It's gorgeous. It's great. The shadows are stunning. Next up, I'll talk about the 2 lip products I got really quick. First shade is Aftermath, which is this really pretty color. I don't know how you would describe it. It's almost like, I don't know, but it's really pretty and I like it. I feel like this is going to be a really good go-to for the fall and winter, and I'll probably wear it tomorrow. And then, what did I do with this one? Oh, and then the liquid lipstick, which is my main, which is a really pretty nude. I'm wearing it right now, and it looks like that. Super pretty. I really, really like both of the lip products. I did watch Samantha Ravindell's video to help me figure out what I wanted, because I feel like both of these look really, really nice on me. Not to like toot my own horn, but I really like how they look. So my overall thoughts are, yes, you should get this collection. I think it's really good. I'll leave a link for everything I got down below. So next is just going to be a quick little demo showing you guys how I did my eye makeup today using the Friendcation palette. And I also show you guys both of these lip colors on my lips. And I obviously settled for my main because I was just in like a nude mood today. But I love this. It's perfect. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Very excited to be doing this tutorial. I think everything is gorgeous. So first I'm going to start off with basic, and I'm just popping that in my crease with a Morphe brush. And then I'm going to be picking up Morphe basic and necessary and popping that in the crease with the same brush. Then next up, I'm just going to be using basic, necessary, and churro. Again, all in the same brush, and I'm really focusing churro in the crease to add depth. I forgot to mention in this video, but if you guys want better swatches of this palette, I have them on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below. Then I'm just taking a clean brush just to blend everything together. These shadows are really easy to blend together. I just wanted to make everything nice and soft. So then using my finger, I'm just putting just a kiss all over the lid. And then again, just taking that same clean brush, I'm just going to blend the crease one more time, just make it all nice and, you know, look good. And then I'm just taking the three colors I used on the crease, basic, necessary, and churro, and patting that on the outer V. I also forgot to show you guys, but I used the three inner corner and crease shades on my lower lash line. I just forgot to film that part. I'm sorry. And then I'm just blending again, just make everything nice and soft and, you know, not look like slapped on my face. So then I'm just gonna go finish up the rest of my face, and I'm back to do lips. And then I'm just going to start off with Aftermath, which is the lipstick. I wasn't really feeling the dark lip on this day, but I really, really love this shade. I still don't know what kind of color it is. Kind of reminds me of that like terracotta-y shade from the Shan XO Remix palette, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And then the shade I settled for is my main, which is the shade that I'm using here, and that is their Liquid Velvet. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. I'll also down below have my first review of all the Desi x Katy collection, if you guys are interested in seeing that, because I don't know if you are, but it'll be linked down below as well.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Along in the description box will be all of the products that I bought and the Dose of Colors website. If you guys want to purchase anything, I'll also have ULTA's website as well in there. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Also in the comments, let me know if you picked up anything from this collection and tell me what you got, or if you want to pick up some stuff and you weren't sure, let me know in the comments down below as well. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!